also have Dr. Subramanian Swamy now joining us live. Dr. Swamy, help us understand, because now you have the court saying that the maintainability of the petition will be decided first. So one knows for sure that access to worship is not going to happen, at least for the next 2 days.
Yes, actually, the only aspect of the maintainability would be whether the petitioners have asked for something permanent, and that would not be till that 1991 Act matter is settled. It will not be possible to part with any part of the mosque to the Hindus. Now, all that is that will be permitted in the present proceedings in Varanasi is their being able to go on a regular basis to do puja, where they have found all these the gods' statues and so on and so forth. But they will not have any rights on the building. So if the petition says, no, this particular part should be carved out as a temple for us to go regularly, then it is not maintainable. So we come back to the same issue, that the core is the 1991 Act, which needs to be scrapped either through my petition in the Supreme Court challenging its constitutionality, or by a resolution moved by Narendra Modi's parliamentary party and scrapping the Act itself, because the Parliament passed the Act and so Parliament has the right to scrap it.
But Dr. Swamy, help us understand
why has it happened on 26th May is, yes.
Dr. Swamy, why has it circled back to maintainability? Because the Supreme Court said very clearly that the Places of Worship Act doesn't stop anyone from determining the religious character of a place. Then what really will the district court be hearing?
No. These people, both sides have presented petitions. And the Hindu side has asked for a permanent access, a stable and permanent access to go into the areas where the temple remains are still there, and maintain it and do puja on a regular basis. Now that is something which would not be maintainable as long as the Act is there. If you want anyway to go on with the special permission of the Masjid to those parts where the Hindu idols are, and you want on a special occasion to do puja, that will be permitted. So that's all the court is going to look at, whether you are asking for a permanent hold on a part of the Masjid as yours and for Hindu prayers, or you are only asking for access to come on occasions and do puja and go away.
Interesting thing though is that the court has also allowed both sides to get access to the videography that was done inside. What would you say about the significance of that? That now both sides will actually be able to see what the surveyors saw.
Yes, absolutely. They will get an authentic thing. Here only a few people were able to get access. So this video will be available to everybody, and then they can identify which is the area. So the Muslim who are maintaining the mosque will know which is the area that the Hindus will be allowed in and not allowed in. And the Hindus will know which areas they can go from time to time to do puja.
Dr. Subramanian Swamy, thank you very much for speaking to us, helping us understand how really to read the judgment of what has happened, or rather the proceedings of what has happened inside the court in Varanasi.